Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of smart touring and everyday adventure with the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 LE camper van. Designed for flexibility, comfort, and real-world usability, this camper van sets a new benchmark for compact travel living. Step inside and you're welcomed by a bright, well-organized living space that balances practicality with modern design. The lounge area features a functional dinette with swivel front seats, offering a comfortable place to relax or dine. The kitchen comes equipped with a gas cooktop, sink, compressor refrigerator, and ample storage for extended trips. At the rear, the twin single beds provide excellent sleeping comfort and can be converted into a large sleeping area if needed. The compact wet bathroom includes a toilet, fold-away sink, and shower, ensuring you have all essential comforts wherever the road takes you. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 LE camper van maintains a clean, purposeful design that reflects its touring-focused nature. Built on the reliable Fiat Ducato platform, it features a streamlined body that enhances maneuverability and fuel efficiency. The exterior finish is both durable and understated, designed to withstand long journeys and varied climates. A side-mounted awning expands your living space outdoors, while subtle Summit Shine badging adds a refined identity. The campervan's compact dimensions make it easy to drive in cities, park in tight spaces, and access campsites that larger motorhomes simply can't. Practicality and mobility are clearly at the heart of its exterior design. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 LE is powered by a dependable 2.2-liter turbo diesel engine, delivering smooth and efficient performance for long-distance travel. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating mountain roads, the campervan feels composed and confidence-inspiring. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, ensuring a stable ride even when fully loaded. Paired with a refined automatic transmission option, driving remains relaxed and stress-free. Advanced safety and driver assistance features, including lane assist, traction control, and parking aids, make this campervan easy to handle for both new and experienced campers alike. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 LE campervan offers excellent value in the premium campervan category. With a starting price of around $75,000, it delivers a well-balanced package of quality, comfort, and everyday usability. While it may not be a budget entry, the pricing reflects Pössl's strong build quality, smart interior layout, and trusted mechanical foundation. For travelers seeking a versatile campervan that's ready for both weekend escapes and extended adventures, it represents a solid investment. To sum up, the 2026 Pössl Summit Shine 600 LE campervan is a thoughtfully designed blend of practicality, comfort, and efficient performance. It proves that you don't need a massive motorhome to enjoy a premium travel experience. Whether you're exploring scenic back roads or embarking on cross-country journeys, this campervan delivers freedom and reliability in a compact package. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in camper and automotive excellence.